Hi, Ian. Did you have a good nap?
Doggy.
Where's a doggy?
Doggy.
Funky?
Blanky.
Blanky? Noki. George's cat's name is Gnocchi. Are you ready to play with Shelby?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's on his way.
Oh no. Smokes! Smokes!
Okay. What do you say?
Peace.
Oh my.
Oh my.
That was a mournful please.
No. Oh.
You have a poop? Then we need to change your diaper before we have milks.
Oh, biggie. Big. Smokes. Smokes. Smokes.
We'll have milks, but we'll change your diaper first. Oh, you don't like that? Oh my.